Welcome back to Robominions.in AI Trainer app. In this app, in this video, we will be looking into reversing a link of linked list using sliding pointer. So let's look at the code of the reversing links of linked list using sliding pointer. So first we have stdio.h initialization, then we have stdlib.h initialization. So that provides malloc function to assign and allocate memory in the heap. Then we have linked list features.h. So in this we have struct node which has a int data part and next node address part. Then we have a create function which creates the singly linked list by allocating memory in the heap. So this code working has already been explained in DSA11 creation and display of singly linked list video. So please go to that video and you can understand the working of this part of the code. Now coming back to this, so we have a type def struct node space capital node. So the struct node has been renamed. The struct node which is present here, right? That has been renamed with the capital N small caps O D E. So this is the one. Then we are using that name itself here instead of using struct node everywhere. So node star first, that is pointer, equal to pointer first equal to null. Then it goes to main. So in the main we have a data array with the data values 10, 12, 23 and 44. So here we call the create function from this linked list features.h header file. The create function creates the linked list. You can see 10, 12, 23 and 44. Then we are calling the reverse using sliding pointer. So sliding pointer function is called. We have node iterator 1 equal to null, node iterator 2 equal to null, and then node iterator 3 equal to null. Then we have node iterator 1 equal to first, so that is assigned to first. So while node iterator 1 not equal to null is true, node iterator 3 equal to node iterator 2, right now it's null. So both are null, so there is no changes. Node iterator 2 is made pointed to node iterator 1, and then node iterator 1 has been moved by one node, so it moves by one node. Then node iterator 2 next equal to node iterator 3. So the node iterator 2 next equal to node iterator 3. Node iterator 3 right now is null, so this has changed to null. Initially it was pointing to hash 300 node, but now it has changed to null. So now when the while condition is checked again, node iterator 1 not equal to null is true. Node iterator 3 now again is equal to node iterator 2. Now this time node iterator 2 is pointing to the first node, right? So both are pointing to the same node. So node iterator 2 is moved to node iterator 1, okay? And node iterator 1 is moved to the next node. Now here you can see node iterator next equal to node iterator 3. So the link has been reversed. So the new next node address has been changed to hash 200. It was previously hash 400. Now it has changed to hash 200. So because node iterator next equal to node iterator 3. So the link is reversed. So now again we check for node iterator 1 not equal to null, true. Node iterator 3 is equal to node iterator 2, and node iterator 2 so now we can see node iterator 2 equal to node iterator 1. So it has moved to this node, and node iterator 1 is moved to the next node, node iterator 1 next, and node iterator 2 next is reversed. The link is reversed. You can see here hash 300 has been assigned as the next node address of node iterator 2. So the link is reversed now. Then we have node iterator 1 not equal to null, true. Node iterator 3 equal to node iterator 2, and node iterator 2 equal to node iterator 1. Here node iterator 1 next will be equal to null. So node iterator 2 next will be pointing to node iterator 3. So the link has all been reversed. Now when the while condition is checked again. Now node iterator 1 not equal to null become false because it is equal to null. And then we have first equal to node iterator 2. So you can see the node iterator 2 is the first one. So then you come out of the reverse using sliding pointer. You can see successfully the link has been reversed, and then it comes out of the main, and the time complexity of this operation or this algorithm is order of n. To access the code of this algorithm, you can click code in the app, and you can copy the code and run on any of your preferred online or offline compiler, any C compiler. And to use this app, Robominions.in AI interview preparation app, you can visit the website Robominions.in, click on the download latest version here, and if you have a Windows laptop, please click on Windows OS and download the app here, and click on download anyway. Signing up, Dhananjai Sharma,
founder of Robominions.in. Don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel, share with your friends and family. Visit Robominions.in website, crack your toughest coding questions and tech interviews by downloading latest version of the app, and make your coding easy. Thank you for watching this video. Bye.